DreamHack जा रहे हो? Yes, I will be at DreamHack. We will all be at DreamHack. Everyone at Global Esports will be at DreamHack. We have a booth over there, so make sure you come to the GE booth. We will have our merchandise there, and gamers in general. This playlist which I've shared in chat right now is our official Global Esports playlist. We will be launching this at DreamHack, so you're getting an exclusive access to that playlist here. अगर आप अभी जाके playlist save करोगे on Spotify, you will be among the first people to do it. So far, only the GE people have access to this playlist. तो अगर आप जाके save कर लोगे अभी, अर्ली एक्सेस एंजॉय करो. बाकी दुनिया को हम DreamHack पे ही अनाउंस करके बताने वाले हैं, दिखाने वाले. मर्च कब? Merch, we are going to do an exclusive drop at DreamHack. So if you are in Hyderabad or near Hyderabad or want to come to Hyderabad, please do come for DreamHack, because Global Esports will do an exclusive merch drop only for people there. And then this design of the jersey. Suki Dara? Yeah. Oh. This design of the jersey. Turn ka?
This one is
this design of the jersey. This will never ever be available for sale. Ever. The only place you can get it is DreamHack, one time, and that's it. Never again. So soch lo, if you've ever wanted a GE jersey, especially this one, DreamHack
Fun
Hyderabad
fact,
is your only place.
This is the first OG jersey, not the first, the one that has...
The one that got her.
Yeah, the one that has lasted.
So थोड़े से changes हुए हैं, but this has been like
the
legacy. You can say this is the GE legacy drop.
Yeah.
मर्च का बताओ. मर्च का DreamHack पे exclusive drop होने वाला है for the GE jersey, the legacy GE jersey that you see Suki wearing over here right now. That legacy jersey का drop होगा exclusively DreamHack पे this weekend, 4th, 5th, 6th November. Make sure you're coming to Hyderabad. You will get to meet not just everyone at GE, but also all the people at Soul and the entire 8-bit gang, the SA2L family. There's going to be people from VLT, there's going to be people from Enigma and Revenant and OG, and basically पूरी gaming community. DreamHack पे आप क्यों नहीं आ रहे हो? बोलो. We're going to have an exclusive GE Legacy jersey drop, which is only and only one-time drop. Never going to be available online. Never has been available online. It's only been given to our athletes, to the people that work at GE, to the partners of Global Esports, to some creators because we're nice like that, and to Gamers Guild NFT holders. Those are the only people who've had it, except for the people who now buy it at DreamHack. That's it. This design is never going to be available again. After that is going to be a new jersey. There will be an online jersey drop later, but that's going to be a different design. ये वाली legacy jersey वापस कभी नहीं आने वाली है. We don't want people to own it freely unless you're coming to DreamHack. And you say that playlist. तो अगर अभी तक नहीं किया है तो Spotify playlist now. भैया jersey online में निकाल दो ना for guys who can't come. No, unfortunately no. Sorry, it's just not. They're releasing this jersey. It's a legacy jersey. It's only for people who come and meet us physically at DreamHack. It's a very limited release merch, and we don't want to make it like हमें कपड़े की दुकान नहीं बननी है. We don't want to just have like our merch available कि जब मन आए जिसको आए खरीद लो. It's for us, like the reason why we wear it all the time. It's very special. It's a jersey for us. You can see him wear it. You can see him wear it. For us, the jersey has legacy attached to it. It has emotion attached to it. It stands for everything Global Esports has built over the last 5 years. That is what the jersey means to us. It's not a piece of cloth that is being sold. So when you're buying this jersey, you are buying heritage of Global Esports. You are buying into the legacy of Global Esports. You are buying into the journey of Global Esports. Please don't buy this as, hey, मेरे को t-shirt अच्छी लगी, मेरे को t-shirt पहनना है. If that's the case, मत खरीदो. There are lots of other merchandise you can buy. If you want to buy the GE jersey, buy it because A, you want to support Global Esports. B, you want to be part of history because this legacy jersey is never going to be available ever again for anyone to buy. It's again, like I said, it's not something that's just available for sale. दुकान नहीं है. That's the reason why we've never sold it. बेचना होता तो बहुत बेचते होते अभी तक. पिछले 5 साल में बहुत बेचते होते. बेचना नहीं है. Fine. So, if you want to come and wish me happy birthday in person, DreamHack's the place to be, man. I'm going to be partying over there with all the creators and all the gamers and all of you guys at DreamHack in Hyderabad. I'm just saying.